Can you see yourself in the 2019 Dodge Challenger? With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, active suspension, premium sound system. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.